Confused ka ba sa fill in, fill out, at fill up? Magkatunog sila, pero magkaibang gamit. By the way, this is Gila, your English kachikahan for today. The first say fill in is equals to lagyan ng info, usually blanks. Example, please fill in the blanks. Ilagay mo ang tamang sagot sa mga puwang. Fill out naman is equals to kompletuhin ang buong form. Example, please fill out this form. Or sagutan mo ang buong form. Fill up naman is equals to punuin ng liquid or space. Example, please fill up the tumbler with water. Punuin mo ng tubig ang tumbler.